Hey, have you ever wanted to know how your oil catch can works? Well, today we're going to open up Moroso's oil catch can and find out. Today on Street Pie. Hey guys, welcome back. We've got our Moroso air oil separator right here, and this is for the 2010 and up Camaro SS. But I bought this kit purposely because it's pretty much a universal kit. All these things, they're either the large or the small body catch can or air oil separator, and they can be put on any vehicle. But for Moroso, the way they sell them, pretty much the differences is the brackets, you know, and little here's and there's, but the actual can assembly is the same, and some of the fittings may be different. But this is the can assembly. If I can figure out how to pop the box open. Alright, aside from my fingerprints, it's kind of cold from the inside. Anyway, Moroso right here etched in. It's a pretty nice finish. It's polished aluminum. If it isn't, it's pretty close to polished anyway. I'll try to open this up. Alright, so we're unscrewing the bottom. It's where the oil collects. Alright, got a pretty nice finished can there, and you can see the stuff they have in here, which actually looks a lot like just wire just kind of thrown in there, which it's a nice finish. We'll open this up and show you a little bit closer. Alright, so we've got this thing opened up with the can off of it. It's our catch can. We're going to open it up. Alright, we're going to use a Allen. And it's got two screws right here. I'm going to counterclockwise them out of the way. So we've got the screen off, just a basic screen. This wire's packed in there pretty good. Alright, got a tool to pull it out with and to hunt to the end of the earth. Alright, as you can see on the inside, it's a nice finished piece right here. And this pretty much looks like a bunch of steel mesh. It's not anything real fancy. You could actually probably make one of these at home if you were in dire straits. But how nice this thing is, and actually this thing was on sale. This is the part number 85487, which I Camaro SS 2010 and up. Now this can be a universal kit. So right now Jegs has this on sale for $131.21, which it showed regular price of $162. That's pretty much the cheapest I've been able to find. I mean, this is the large body, like I said, which is bigger than that. The small body seems a lot smaller. So anyway, this is August 24th, 2018, and I checked the price this morning and it was still the same price. So rush out if you want to buy that item. Alright, just slides right back in. You can see the mesh is all the way in, and I'm not going to pull the other side out because it's pretty much the same thing. So anyway, in reverse, put your screen back on. tight, and you're pretty much back together. So, but pretty much the air comes in from the PCV system from the valve cover in one side. It comes into here. There's a little divider plate in the middle here. We'll remove these screws. You can kind of see it from here. Alright, and then it goes in here, and that's this treacherous path to slow the air coming to grab the heavy particles, the oil, and then it comes around and goes back in the other side and then comes out to a suction off of your engine, usually a vacuum source, things like that. So, real nice aluminum piece. It's got looks like maybe an Allen here, goes here, it recesses in. Nice finish. Nice sealed bag. We'll open it. Alright. These are the two brackets that'll fit the specific vehicle that we was discussing. Like we said, the air oil separator is universal, and that's the large body. And then these are the brackets for the 2010 and up Camaro SS. And here's also another bracket. Alright, here's a little ball valve that comes with it. Closed and opened. When you install it on the car, make sure that it's closed. And a dummy check. This will be screwed in as such. And this will be screwed in as such. Now that's sitting all tightened up and everything, so bear with me. You got a little cover here that you'll slide on here, and then make sure the valve's closed, and this will keep dust out and any kind of other trash. And this is your drain line that comes from the used or collected oil that'll be at the bottom of this. And then you've got the fittings that screw into the sides here. When you screw these in, this is just for mock-up here, but you'll want to add Teflon tape, and that comes in a tape or a liquid. Anyway, you can upgrade those. You can put AM fittings, stuff like that. You just have to go from the pipe fitting to the dash 6 AM fitting. There's also a spacer here for the kit, for the bracket assembly, and then you got your hose. Alright, we bought 2 of these kits. We bought them both. We're going to put it on the carbon Camaro, and so we're going to put one for each bank. One for the left side of the engine and one for the right side of the engine, just because we want to make sure that we've got plenty of capacity for the blow-by, since it is a boosted engine. And yeah, every engine has blow-by, so size appropriately. Ours we're setting up for a universal kit, so it's kind of a prototype type deal, so every application is different, so just be careful with yours. Thanks for watching.